connecting the world through sound, bringing beautiful sounds to all. In 2006, Xingyi Electronic Technology, founded in Dongguan, swiftly becoming a leader in the Bluetooth speaker industry, with branches established in Dongguan, Shenzhen, Huizhou, and Guangxi. Xingyi has transformed from a 10-person electronics factory in Dongguan into a modern technology enterprise with over 1,000 employees. Every step of Xingyi's journey reflects an unwavering pursuit of excellence. Starting with basic voice coils and speakers, Xingyi laid a solid foundation through its relentless pursuit of superior sound quality. From 2015 to 2019, the founder of Xingyi, Guilin Xinlu, and Lepu branches marked significant strides in technical innovation and geographic expansion, bringing substantial breakthroughs in technology and craftsmanship. From 2020 to 2023, the focus on new products, technologies, and processes has kept Xingyi aligned with international standards, enabling active participation in global exhibitions to discuss the latest industry trends and swiftly meets the demands of an evolving global market. In 2024, the establishment of Huizhou Xingyi Tianmei Company Limited demonstrated our commitment to specific industry fields and our unwavering pursuit of an enriched life. Under the keen market insight and outstanding leadership of founder Mr. Zhong Quansheng, Xingyi has thrived amid competition, ranking among Dongguan's top 100 enterprises and receiving Guangdong Province's Contract Honoring and Credit Keeping Enterprise Award multiple times. Every Xingyi product has embodied craftsmanship, assured through a dedicated quality management system, certified under ISO 9001-2005 standards, and further validated by CE, RoHS, FCC, and RSCI certifications. From design to production, from raw materials to finished products, every step is rigorously controlled to ensure superior quality. Each workshop is a platform for skill and innovation, where our team crafts high-quality Bluetooth speakers with precision and expertise. Xingyi will continue to embody its values of innovation, initiative, and win-win cooperation. We firmly believe that quality is the essence of our business, placing the customer at the center to create lasting value and expand our global reach. Xingyi explores for sound, elevates for audio experiences, and warmly invites you to join us in creating a brighter tomorrow.